introduction. To begin with, waste segregation is important part of effective waste management. Proper segregation help improve recycling efficiency and support environmental sustainability. However, in the community waste segregation practice is still inconsistent. Due to population growth, urbanization, and changing lifestyle, household waste generation has increased significantly, making proper waste segregation more important than ever. Background of study. Moving on the background of the study, rapid urbanization and population growth have increased solid waste generation. Also, Malaysia has introduced policies such as Act 672 and awareness campaign. Community participation is still low. Therefore, this study focuses on examining the level of waste segregation practice and the factor influencing community behavior. Next is the problem statement. Even though waste segregation has been widely promoted, the practice among the community remains low. This is due to limited awareness, lack of infrastructure, and behavioral barrier. As a result, recyclable material become contaminated, landfill waste increase, and waste management become more challenging. Therefore, it is important to assess the current level of practice and identify influencing factors. The main objective of the study is to assess the level of segregation practice among the community. Especially, this study aims to first determine the level of awareness regarding waste segregation. Second, identify the type of segregation practiced as by households. Third, analyze the factor influencing waste segregation behavior. And fourth, evaluate the effectiveness of exciting waste management initiatives. The scope of this study is limited to residential community. It focuses on household solid waste such as domestic waste only. Industrial and hazardous house waste are not included in this research. The study also focuses on knowledge, attitude, and practice related to waste segregation. This study is significant because it provides a better understanding of waste segregation practice among the community and identify the gap between awareness and actual behavior. The finding can support the development of more effective waste management strategies in household recycling, reduce landfill waste, and promote environmental sustainability while increasing public awareness of environmental responsibility. Study area. The study focused on residential community where household waste generation is higher and residents are directly involved in daily waste disposal. It aims to assess waste segregation practice at the community level to provide a broader understanding of public awareness, behavior, and participation in waste management. Based on previous study, waste segregation is an important component of sustainable waste management. It helps reduce environmental population and improve recycling efficiency. According to Chuerero et al. Waste segregation support resource recovery and reduce landfill dependency. Other studies also show at the education level, income, and environmental awareness influence waste segregation behavior. Methodology. First, research design. The study employed a quantitative cross-sectional survey design to collect numerical data on the level of waste segregation practice among the community. Second, study area. The study was conducted in a residential area with diverse socioeconomic background as it is suitable and relevant to daily household waste generation activity. Third, population and sample. The population consisted of residents in the selected residential area. Respondents selected using a simple random sampling technique. Research instrument. The research instrument was a structured questionnaire consisting of demographic information, knowledge, attitude, and practice of waste segregation using a Likert scale. Data collection procedure. Data were collected through Google Form and manual distribution, with respondents being briefed on the study purpose and assured of confidentiality before reception. And lastly, data analysis and material. Data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, Excel or SPSS, including frequency and presentation. While material included questionnaire, Google Form, computer, internet, Microsoft Excel, and stationery. This flowchart illustrates the research process and begin with problem identification, followed by data collection using questionnaire. Next, data is analyzed using statistical method. Finally, results are interpreted to achieve the research objective. The Gantt chart shows the timeline of the research activity. It includes planning data, collecting, analyze, and report writing phase. Each phase is usually within the allocated time to ensure the project is complete systemically. The milestone highlight key achievement of the project. These include completion of proposal, data collection, and final analysis. Each milestone ensure that the project progresses smoothly according to schedule. This section outlines the estimated budget required for the research. It includes costs for printing, data collection, and other minor expenses. The budget is kept minimal as most data collection is done digitally. Moving on the reference section. This study has several credible academic sources to support the research on waste segregation practice. The main references include journal articles and reports related to waste management, environmental sustainability, and community behavior. Key references include study by Guerrero et al., which discuss solid waste management challenges, and Mo and Manaf, which focus on waste management transformation in Malaysia. In addition, Zhang et al. Highlight the influence of environmental awareness on waste segregation behavior, while Chen theory of planet behavior provide a theoretical foundation for understanding human behavior. All references are listed in APA academic equity and credibility.